So this is the tutorial video how to register on Binance. So always go to this particular website which I am typing right here for you. https www.binance.com. Yes. So here we are. Please always make sure of this particular address to avoid getting scammed. And to register on this website, go to this button over here on the top right corner, register, and enter your active email ID, password, confirm the password, and you can also enter a referral code if you like. So I'm going to tell you about this later on in the video. So let's finish up with this. Yeah. Now we have to play this little game for verification that you are not a robot. Place the puzzle over the icon over here, and yes, we are through. And yeah, this is what a confirmation email would look like. It would have come from official Binance address, and you just need to click on the verify email, and done. Your account is activated. Now enjoy trading on Binance. Bye bye. This is two-factor authentication. I strongly recommend to use two-factor authentication by Google Authenticator or by SMS. It further fortifies your account against hacking. So as of now I am already registered, so I'm not going to do it now. But you should definitely do this Google Authentication. Hello guys, yeah, this is what the front page of your account looks like in Binance, and you need to submit your verification documents if your trading volume is more than 100 bitcoins. That is roughly around more than 1 million in a day. Then you need to submit your verification documents. Okay guys, this is what the basic exchange look like, and from here we do all the trading in Binance. So let me brief you about this. There are four trading pairs which Binance offer: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and USDT. And along with these trading pairs, there are two options. One is for change, which represents the change in the value. If it's in pink, then that means the value has decreased by this much percentage in last 24 hours. And if it's in green, then it means the value of that particular coin has risen up by this much percentage. And similarly, it goes for all the trading pairs. And now then there's the second option called volume. In volume, you could see how many people have traded, how much money have come in and gone out in the last 24 hours for this particular trading pair. Like it's four different. Like in Bitcoin, it's in terms of Bitcoin. In Ethereum, it's everything is in terms of Ethereum. Like there's 10,000 Ethereum trading, and USDT, everything is in terms of USDT crypto. Hello, this is what the trading in Binance looks like. This seems to be a lot of information, but I'm going to help you out. See, this now this trade is for BNB ETH pair over here. These are all the sell orders, and these are all the buy orders. Like people are going to sell BNB for Ethereum, and over here people are going to buy BNB for Ethereum for the particular value. Okay, and this is the trade history. These are the orders which got through. It has both the sell and the buy orders. This is the market book. Okay, so you can see the different orders, the volume, and the timestamp. Now let's do a live trade. I will show you how to do a trade. See, let's do a trade for TRX coin. Yeah, Trunks. This coin is very famous as of now, and let's see how to buy this. So if I want to, there are three options: limit buy, market buy, and the stop limit. And these are different functionalities. to buy, which Binance provides, and it's real cool. Say if I want to buy, say here's my balance, Bitcoin balance, and if I want to buy, I would enter a price that that suits me, like any price. Let's say 300, and these are like I want to buy like 100% of my Bitcoin balance. Like these two values are the same, exact same. I would place a buy order. Success, yes. Now it will appear in my open orders. Okay. Now like this is in my open orders. Now if I want to sell, exactly the similar process. Like let's say uh, I want to sell at 976, and how much of do I want to sell? Like I have 1089, and I want to sell like 50% of my coins. Let's say 75%. 75%, like let's make it a round figure. I can also edit this. 824. Okay, now I will place a sell order. Success. See, now both of them are appearing on my open orders. Similarly, you can do it for any pair. So now if you want to withdraw or deposit some coins into your Binance account, you can do that. Like do only the coins which Binance supports, and this is a long list. So whichever coins you do, like go to that particular coin. Let's say if we are doing it for Bitcoin, we are withdrawing Bitcoin. Go to the withdrawal option and copy the address, copy the public key of the wallet where you want to send your Bitcoin to, and then select the amount you want to send. Like you can change this amount and then click on submit. Now it's going to ask for the Google authentication code just for the security purposes. So 414555, let's submit, and done. It's over. Now you need to go back to your email address and you will get a confirmation mail. Click on the confirmation mail. It is like an added security feature, and your order will process. And now similarly is the deposit functionality. Go to that particular coin, go to deposit, click on that, and here you will get your deposit address. Be real careful to only send or deposit a particular coin for which that address is meant to be. Otherwise your coins would be lost forever. Now we are going to copy this address, copy successful, and then go to that exchange or wallet where I want to send my coins to. Oops. Sorry, my bad. Go to that particular wallet from where you want to send your coins to your Binance account. So I'm going to come to my PocketBits account, copy paste my address, enter the amount in INR, and then click on submit. Done. So after you have done this functionality correctly, after a few confirmations, your balance will appear in your Binance account. So that's how is deposit and withdrawal done. Thank you.